So here's another example of a customer tour. This is a large construction project, and we've added some interactive elements here. So they've got they're using again labels to pop up information. There's also using some labels to navigate around the space. So if we go look at this 3D model, we'll see that there's 2 floors that are constructed, but this is basically for leasing the 2 floors, and they've got their own floor plan diagrams included instead of using our default ones. We find a lot of folks will do that when they want to get some specific information that's not included in our standard interactive floor plans. And so rather than having to walk around through the whole building, which I might want to do, it might be quite fun. The shooting density is fairly low in this space. So what I'm going to be able to do is I can just click on the icon and I can jump to one of those 2 floors. And then I've got interactive elements to allow me to jump to each leasable unit. So here we've got one of the units. They've added some imagery to the panorama to delineate the edge of the particular unit. And in fact, we can even see I've got here a fully staged version of that unit included. So I can actually just pop back to, where is it? We go to one of these other units. And so it works out being a very effective tool for communicating the specific elements that are available to rent. And also it gives me, as well as being able to navigate around the space as if I was there, I've also got some great tools to get me efficiently and quickly to the different parts of the building that I want to visit. So that's another example of using interactivity, using interactive elements in a Metareal tour.
I'm just curious to look at the nadir and the zenith, the top and the bottom. So this client could have put in a nadir logo patch had they decided that within the Metareal stage back end. Yes. Okay. So there's a try.
I think so. Probably can show you. Oh no, that's just a blur.
Okay.
Yeah, in this case, we've got a customer.
Okay, so that's totally up to the photographer whether they want to add that, not add that. Then maybe up to the zenith. To the
we can do. Can we? I don't think we can put a logo on the zenith. It's only on the.
Yes, but I think what we see is there wasn't any blur of in some other platforms you wouldn't see a chandelier that was directly above the camera.
Okay.
So one of the advantages of Metareal Stage is if that's important to you, you can actually look up and not see a blur where that chandelier is.
This is another example. This is a residential development, and there's a model unit that we can visit. So we can just click on this and visit the model unit. And they put an interesting color grade on this, but that's the job. And we can go elsewhere. There's a pool, and this is all part of the same interactive experience, but we're able to teleport about different zones. In this case, they wanted the tour to have no interactive elements on screen at all, and just no user interface elements, and just have the tour itself. I think it was for a kiosk display or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
cool.
That's the example there.